Often we have lists with lots of duplicate values and we wish to remove those duplicates. I have a sheet here, for example, called targets. I'd like to make 2 copies of this sheet, so I'm going to hold the Control key and drag the sheet name targets to the right. I'll release my mouse and then I'll release the Control key, and then I'll repeat the same process. Control drag, and now I've got targets 3, targets 2 and targets. I'll rename targets 3 lookups. And basically what I want to do is I want to create a unique list of regions. I want to remove all the duplicity in this column. So I might start off first of all by clicking in the list somewhere, going to Data in the ribbon and choosing the Remove Duplicates button. Immediately it selects the list in the background and it's listed for me all the columns. I'll unselect all the columns. It's picked up that my data has headers, and I'll choose region. I just need a unique list of region. So I go OK. What it tells me is that 259 duplicates were found and removed, leaving me with 11 unique regions. So I click OK. I no longer need columns A and B, so I will delete those, Control minus, or use the right click method, and I'll select B, C, D, E and F and Control minus. And I have a unique list of regions, which really I should also sort alphabetically, just to ensure. So I'll click on a region and I'll click the A to Z button on my Data tab in the ribbon, and I can be sure that the regions are sorted in ascending order. I can also right click this button and I can delete this button or cut it, and cut this button, and likewise remove the other buttons. I'd now like to go to targets 2 and remove duplicates again, leaving me with a unique list of departments. So I'm clicked on my list, I go to the Data tab in the ribbon and I click the button Remove Duplicates. It picks up that my data has headers and doesn't include the headers as data, and also selects the range for me. I'll unselect all and I'll choose Department and OK. Excel tells me that 264 duplicates were found and removed, leaving me with 6 unique department values, and I OK. I'd then like to select this data, cut it, go to my lookups sheet and go to B1 and press enter. And now I have a unique list of regions and departments in the sheet I created called lookups, which now makes targets 2 surplus to requirements. So I'll right click targets 2 and I'll delete this sheet. And I'll click the delete button.